Lesson 5. List of robotic process automation tools and selection checklist. Learning objectives. 1. Comparing RPA tools. 2. Understanding RPA vendors. Compare RPA tools to understand the tool we need. 1. First-generation bots were programmable bots that needed specific inputs. 2. Cognitive or intelligent automation bots augment programmable bots with advanced functionality like NLP or natural language processing, image recognition, or machine learning. These bots work with unstructured data and can be effective in decision-making. To achieve this, solution providers generally bring together services from several companies, such as NLP API providers and RPA providers. 3. Self-learning bots watch employees in action, understand processes, take over processes when they reach confidence, and ask for human input if they get completely new input. Companies need to innovate, grow, reduce costs, increase savings, add to the bottom line positively in a sustainable manner to remain profitable. RPA empowers companies to do exactly that. First wave RPA-focused vendors founded in 2000s. They have scaled and provided programmable bots. Blue Prism is public and works with Fortune 500 enterprises. UiPath works mostly with Fortune 10 and top 20 financial organizations. Second wave RPA-focused vendors founded in 2010s. They provide cognitive or intelligent bot solutions. They solve complex business problems. Such problems would require an immense programming effort for rule-based bots to solve. So their solutions involve cognitive or learning bots that learn from employees' actions. These companies are often based strongly in science. For example, WorkFusion's offering of free as in beer RPA solution was one of the first free offers on markets and will definitely attract attention mostly with Fortune 10 and top 20 financial organizations. BPO providers. These companies form partnerships with RPA solution providers and offer turnkey solutions to customer enterprises. This model allows companies to focus on business while BPO provider automates the process, so it is an interesting alternative for companies that have issues managing day-to-day business with their current headcount. They solve complex business problems. Such problems would require an immense programming effort for rule-based bots to solve. So their solutions involve cognitive or learning bots that learn from employees' actions. Knowing the processes to be automated ensure that we are specific in our RPA implementation needs. For example, the list shown in diagram from Forrester, which is based on 105 answers by managers listing their primary criteria for selecting an RPA solutions provider. Some of the main criteria are A. Existing vendor relationships. B. Quality of vendor support through RPA implementation. C. Technical criteria like IT integrations, screen scraping, and cognitive capabilities, product roadmap. D. Ease of use like ease of automation, training, and so on. E. Total costs that include initial setup costs, ongoing license fees, and so on. RPA tool selection. The image on this slide further summarizes the RPA tool selection criteria. RPA tools list. UiPath scores best in the technology category. Automation Anywhere has the biggest market presence and breadth of use cases, while Blue Prism scores best when it comes to bot governance and deployment features. Key takeaways. RPA tool selection process becomes easy when an enterprise is clear on its processes to automate. RPA tools span several generations and determine type of solutions they provide, ranging from programmable bots to cognitive and also self-learning solutions. This concludes the lesson on robotic process automation, tools and selection checklist. Case study, Hen Na Hotel. Here we look through a case study of RPA at its peak, cost savings through RPA. Against the backdrop of a shrinking population and a growing number of foreign tourists, this hotel in Tokyo, Japan, has found success employing robots as a way to both draw in business and reduce staffing costs. The hotel has already demonstrated the cost-saving and potential of employee robotic staff. Originally, 30 staff members were assigned to work at the 140-room hotel, but the automated check-in system allowed for the company to reduce the number of staff to 7 working on rotating shifts, according to Tatsuki. With human gestures and blinking eyes, the androids provoke equal amounts of awe and unease. The robots are quite beautiful, but at first, they're a little scary, said one 30-year-old guest visiting from Thailand. When guests approach the reception desk, the androids begin speaking in a preset routine to welcome guests to the hotel in Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean. Customers can then check in at 2 nearby kiosks. The hotel will continue to adapt the latest technology. The robots do routine work, but humans have to do the creative work. Thinking about new ideas and developing them is the role we have to play, said Tatsuki. The concept. At the front desk, we will be greeted by multilingual robots that will help us check in or check out. At the cloakroom, the robotic arm will store our luggage for us. Also, once we register our face with their face recognition system, we will be free from the hassle of carrying the room key around or worrying about losing it. The Japanese word hen means to change, which represents the hotel creator's commitment for evolution in striving for the extraordinary sensation and comfort. This concludes the case study on the Henna Hotel.